VBAT drone. Let's explore the VBAT drone, an innovative UAV developed by Martin UAV. This drone is known for its versatility and unique capabilities, making it ideal for both military and civilian applications. One standout feature of the VBAT drone is its vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) capability, allowing it to operate in confined spaces without needing a runway. Despite its compact size, the VBAT can carry various payloads, including sensors, cameras, and communication equipment, making it suitable for diverse missions. It excels in surveillance and reconnaissance, providing real-time intelligence and situational awareness essential for both military operations and disaster response. With an endurance of up to insert endurance hours and a range of insert range miles, the VBAT offers long-range capabilities and persistent surveillance. Whether it's monitoring a disaster zone, conducting border patrols, or supporting combat operations, the VBAT's adaptability makes it invaluable. In summary, the VBAT drone combines VTOL capability, versatility, and endurance, making it a powerful tool for a wide range of missions. Rogue One Lethal Unmanned Aerial System. Next, we have the Rogue One Lethal Unmanned Aerial System, developed by Airspace Systems. This drone is a game-changer in combat, offering unmatched precision and lethality. The Rogue One's sleek design and advanced engineering make it virtually undetectable, allowing it to operate covertly in hostile environments. Armed with precision-guided munitions, the Rogue One can eliminate high-value targets with surgical precision, minimizing collateral damage and maximizing effectiveness. Its sophisticated targeting system employs real-time data processing to adapt to changing battlefield conditions, ensuring precise engagement of enemy threats. With impressive range, endurance, and modular payload capabilities, the Rogue One can conduct prolonged surveillance and strike missions with versatility and efficiency. The Rogue One seamlessly integrates into larger unmanned aerial systems, enhancing overall battlefield awareness and operational effectiveness. In summary, the Rogue One Lethal Unmanned Aerial System represents the future of combat drones, combining stealth, precision, and adaptability to dominate the modern battlefield. Viper 40 Micro. Now, let's talk about the Viper 40 Micro, a compact yet powerful drone designed for close-quarters surveillance and reconnaissance missions. Developed by insert manufacturer, this drone is small but mighty. The Viper 40 Micro excels in navigating tight spaces, making it perfect for urban environments and indoor surveillance. Equipped with high-resolution cameras and infrared imaging technology, the Viper 40 Micro provides real-time intelligence and situational awareness to operators in the field. Whether monitoring city streets or conducting reconnaissance indoors, the Viper 40 Micro delivers critical intelligence to support military and law enforcement operations. In summary, the Viper 40 Micro is a valuable asset for tactical surveillance missions, offering versatility and endurance in a compact package. ELTA Air Defense Radars. Let's explore ELTA Air Defense Radars, the pinnacle of radar technology by ELTA Systems, crucial for modern air defense. ELTA's radars boast unmatched detection and tracking capabilities, utilizing advanced phased array and ESA technology. Capable of simultaneous tracking of multiple targets, ELTA radars provide real-time situational awareness for timely threat response. With various configurations for different operational needs, ELTA radars ensure comprehensive protection against airborne threats. In summary, ELTA air defense radars are vital for airspace security, offering unparalleled detection and tracking to safeguard military and civilian assets. Bell 360. Meet the Bell 360, a cutting-edge attack helicopter by Bell Textron, redefining vertical lift capabilities for the battlefield. With unmatched maneuverability and survivability, the Bell 360 excels in complex and high-threat environments. Featuring advanced avionics, sensors, and a range of weapon systems, it provides pilots with superior situational awareness and combat effectiveness. Capable of precise and lethal firepower, it ensures mission success in close air support and anti-armor operations. In summary, the Bell 360 sets a new standard for attack helicopters, offering unmatched agility, firepower, and versatility on today's battlefield. Ripsaw M5. Introducing the Ripsaw M5, a cutting-edge robotic combat vehicle by manufacturer, designed for versatility in ground operations. With its modular design, the Ripsaw M5 can be equipped for reconnaissance, support, or direct engagement missions. Boasting impressive speed and agility, it excels in traversing challenging terrain and adapting to dynamic battlefield conditions. With a range of insert range, speed of insert speed, and payload capacity of insert payload capacity, it offers top-notch performance for ground operations. In summary, the Ripsaw M5 redefines ground warfare with its versatility and agility, making it a valuable asset for a variety of missions. Ohio Ordnance Works. Let's dive into Ohio Ordnance Works, a leading manufacturer of precision weaponry and heavy ordnance, known for their innovative designs and reliability. From machine guns to grenade launchers, their products are trusted by military forces worldwide for their performance in demanding conditions. Whether it's the specific product name with its unique feature, or the another specific product name known for its specialized capability, Ohio Ordnance Works continues to set the standard for weapon technology. With a legacy spanning years, Ohio Ordnance Works remains a leader in defense, providing critical firepower to support military operations globally. In summary, Ohio Ordnance Works is synonymous with quality and innovation in military weaponry, delivering reliable solutions for modern combat challenges. Starstreak. Let's explore the Starstreak missile system, developed by Thales Group for air defense and anti-aircraft operations, renowned for its precision and effectiveness. Equipped with laser-guided darts, the Starstreak ensures pinpoint accuracy and maximum impact against fast-moving targets. Its advanced guidance technology allows it to engage multiple targets simultaneously, providing comprehensive coverage and protection. With a range of insert range and the capability to engage targets at altitudes of insert altitude, the Starstreak is a versatile asset for modern military forces. In summary, the Starstreak missile system offers unmatched precision and versatility, standing as a pinnacle of air defense technology. M32 Six-Shooter. Let's explore the M32 Six-Shooter, a compact and reliable grenade launcher by Milcor USA, favored for its rapid firepower in close-quarters combat. With a revolving drum magazine holding up to 6 grenades, it delivers quick and precise firepower, ideal for urban warfare and room clearing. Compact yet powerful, the M32 enhances infantry units' effectiveness, providing suppressive fire and neutralizing threats with ease. With a range of insert range and compatibility with various grenade types, the M32 offers versatility for diverse combat scenarios. In summary, the M32 Six-Shooter grenade launcher is a reliable and portable weapon, boosting infantry units' lethality on the battlefield. Convair Model 49. Let's explore the Convair Model 49, a groundbreaking aircraft by Convair Aerospace, heralding the next generation of aerial superiority. With advanced aerodynamics and propulsion, it offers exceptional speed, maneuverability, and range. Equipped with state-of-the-art avionics and sensors, it provides pilots unmatched situational awareness and combat capabilities. With speed of insert speed, range of insert range, and payload capacity of insert payload capacity, it sets new standards in aerial dominance. In summary, the Convair Model 49 is at the forefront of aerial technology, offering unmatched performance for military operations. HISS HD Thermal Sniper Sight. Let's explore the HISS HD Thermal Sniper Sight, a precision tool by manufacturer, revolutionizing marksmanship with advanced thermal imaging technology. Utilizing high-definition thermal imaging, it offers clear visibility in low-light conditions, enhancing shooter accuracy and target acquisition. Featuring customizable reticles, it ensures precise engagements, even in challenging environments. From reconnaissance to precision engagements, the HISS HD Thermal Sniper Sight provides operators with a tactical advantage on the battlefield. With its high-resolution display and detection range of insert range, it sets a new standard in precision optics for snipers. In summary, the HISS HD Thermal Sniper Sight empowers snipers with enhanced visibility and precision, making it an invaluable asset for military and law enforcement operations. Tactical Missile System. Let's explore the Tactical Missile System, a potent weapon developed by manufacturer for precision strikes in modern warfare. Equipped with advanced guidance systems, it delivers precise strikes against enemy assets, offering flexibility in mission planning. Featuring multiple launch configurations and compatibility with various munitions, it ensures devastating firepower with minimal collateral damage. With a range of insert range and insert payload capacity, it's a force multiplier on the battlefield. In summary, the tactical missile system provides military forces with a decisive edge, offering precision strike capabilities to dominate modern warfare.
Know 12 Tactical Missile System. Let's explore the tactical missile system, a potent weapon developed by manufacturer for precision strikes in modern warfare. Equipped with advanced guidance systems, it delivers precise strikes against enemy assets, offering flexibility in mission planning. Featuring multiple launch configurations and compatibility with various munitions, it ensures devastating firepower with minimal collateral damage. With a range of insert range and insert payload capacity, it's a force multiplier on the battlefield. In summary, the tactical missile system provides military forces with a decisive edge, offering precision strike capabilities to dominate modern warfare. These technologies represent the cutting edge of military innovation, enhancing capabilities and ensuring strategic advantages on the battlefield. Stay tuned to Military Tech Today for more insights into the future of defense technology. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much, guys. Watch my video. So PLZ like and subscribe my YouTube channel, and I some interesting video for you. My YouTube channel, Tech Revolution.